Hey babes, hey. So, welcome back to another video. Y'all, welcome. First of all, before I get to just going straight in, telling y'all everything that's going on. Welcome. It's your girl Yvette, and I am back with another video. A different video. A video that's a little bit different than what I usually do, but y'all work with me. I'm in a different area. I'm actually was about to get ready to wash my makeup off my face, and I thought about like, damn girl, you've been ripping and running and doing stuff all day, and you forgot to record for your babes. So hope y'all enjoy this video. It's gonna be quick, short, and straight to the point. So if y'all want to know what your girl did and you don't follow me on my Instagram, because if you follow me on my Instagram, you already know what I've been doing, then go ahead on like, share, comment, and subscribe, and continue to watch this video. Okay, so let me just say this. I am tired. I am extremely tired, y'all. Like, today was Trulysmoothskintique's first photo shoot. It went amazing, but let me tell y'all, I had so much stuff to do yesterday. I had to upload all them products and restocks, which I still have a box of stuff downstairs that I did not get to do. I had to do the orders last night because I knew I wouldn't be here this morning to do them. And my photo shoot, I was supposed to be there at 7 o'clock in the morning, which was almost 2 hours away from my house. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm tired, I did not go to bed till like 5 o'clock in the morning and had to be right back up by 6:30. Literally, I am drained. And it's just not hitting me. It's after 7 o'clock, so it's been a very long day, but it's just not hitting me. Like on my way home, like probably that last like maybe 15 minutes, like my body knew I was coming home, and I just started. Like I said, it was like my body just knew I was getting tired. So the last 15 minutes on the way home, my body like literally just shut down. Well, not shut down, but I could feel it like going into rest stage. So I'm kind of glad I was at home because I never have been driving and been tired on the road. I hear about people that have been, or stories of people, you know. I just know it's not a good situation, but thank God he was covering me. I didn't doze off. I wasn't that sleepy, but I knew my body was starting to feel the raft of me not getting no rest and being up and moving around all day. If you ever been on a photo shoot, you know how much moving it takes. Not only was I doing modeling for my company, I also was helping behind the scenes and also doing modeling stuff for other people. We were a team and we played our parts either way it goes. So I'm happy at the end of the day. Everything turned out amazing. I cannot wait to pick my pictures so they can get edited and that I can use them and show y'all, because I told y'all 2022, your girl ain't playing no games, okay? Not playing no games. And honestly, I hope y'all ain't either, okay? Like, we got a whole new year, a whole new 12 months, a whole nother 365 days to really get our stuff together. So whatever you was doing this year, you can elevate. Whether you're starting over, whether you add to it, whether you rebranding, whatever you need to do, you need to do it, sis. I'm super motivated. This was just the extra push that I needed. I'm in mentorships groups. This year, I started mentorships groups this year. I done did a photo shoot. I got the information for, I'm not really rebranding, but I'm going to get some professional labels done, better content, being more consistent, going live. Like, I have it all ready. You know, I just need to write it down and like push it. That's it. Because if ain't nobody else going to do it, who going to do it? You got to do it. You're the only person that can do it for your business. So anyways, that's what I came to tell y'all, that your girl is super tired, and I'm so sorry I did not pick up the camera. For one, on my way there, I had to instead of me using my GPS in my car, I end up using it on one of my phones. In the other phone, I was listening to YouTube because it was almost a 2-hour drive. It was like an hour and 45 minutes, something like that. So I didn't have nobody in the car with me, and because it was super early in the morning, I didn't really have nobody to talk to but my husband. I had just left him, so I didn't really have too much to, say that early after we just left each other. So I was like, okay, I'm going to listen to YouTube, which if I was thinking, I could have been recording, but also how my dashboard is made in my car is kind of hard to, like, how y'all have to be positioned is a little weird to me. But I mean, maybe next time, because this is definitely only one of many. But I'm grateful and I'm happy, and no worries, sis. I got y'all. I got some behind the scenes footage. So like I said, my apologies. I wish I was thinking more or been better prepared because I knew this day was coming, but I also knew like it was kind of last minute for me because I had a lot of other stuff going on. Y'all know my baby, that's my son, he being nosy. Y'all know my baby's birthday is tomorrow, so we got stuff planned this whole weekend too. So anyway, because I'm ready to take this makeup off, I'm ready to lay down, I'm ready to just get my life, because I know y'all can tell in my face I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I can't even fake it or front it. I literally was just about to clean my makeup off and was like, oh my god, you did not get no footage for YouTube, and you said you was gonna do better content, you was gonna get in more content, you was gonna try to do better for YouTube, which I am working on some things for y'all over there, a new banner for my YouTube. Also, I want to, if y'all know anybody that's really, really good, reliable, and quick that can do my intro, let your girl know, because we ain't playing 2022, I told y'all. So yeah, I am doing that, and the photo shoot is over. I can't wait to get the pictures. I'm super excited. I do have some behind the scenes, so if you're not following me already, follow me over on Trulysmoothskintique. The link is in the description on my IG. I put something when I was first getting the makeup done earlier. That was like probably about 10 o'clock this morning. I was getting my makeup done, and it still look good, y'all, for it to be like after 7 o'clock. It's 7:20, and my makeup still it looks pretty good to me. One of my little braids came out, but it didn't matter because I didn't have my hair up like this anyway. Y'all will see. But anyway, enough about that. I just came to tell y'all that I did my first photo shoot for Trulysmoothskintique. It's one of many this year. I'm just letting y'all know I'm coming on here to motivate y'all. If I could do these things, y'all could do these things. Just take y'all business to the next level by all means necessary, because like I said, if ain't nobody else gonna do it, you gonna do it, sis. And now I'm about to share with y'all some of these clips of the photo shoot. Before I show y'all these clips, I just want a disclaimer. They are going to be tilt, because if you know anything about recording on your phone, you got to have your phone this way, the long way. Okay? For YouTube. But when you're doing Instagram or just regular recording, you need your phone to go this way, right? So basically the phone is going this way. So by the time I upload it to YouTube, it's going to be like this, but then it's going to have all that extra room around it. Those are because you have to have your camera positioned in different ways. I did not want y'all to miss some of the behind the scenes footage, which was not much, because I was, like I said, either I was helping somebody was helping me, we was all just helping each other. So when I could, or when I did think about it, I just asked somebody, hey, can you grab my camera, get a little footage? So at this point right now, I just want to let y'all know the photo shoot went amazing. I'm super happy. I'm super blessed. I thank all my babies so much for tuning in and rocking out with your girl. Now I'm about to insert this footage, and then I'm going to come back and end this video. Okay? Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You got it? Period. Recording. Hop out my girl, please.
Mama, this is her phone.
Hi, guys! And then you just slide out the reel. That's not that real. Okay, babe, so now that is over, the video shoot is over, I'm super, super excited. I hope y'all enjoyed the clips that I was able to put in. Like I said, it wasn't many. Y'all can kind of let me know in the description how y'all like it. I said in the description. In the comment section, let's blow it up. Let me know how y'all like it. What y'all thoughts just overall? If y'all got any plans to do anything different, or if you planning on taking your businesses like to the next level in the new year, then let me know in the comments. I'm super excited for all my babes, because I know we are doing big things and we ain't letting nobody stand in our way. So yeah, that's it, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm tired, but I'm excited. Thank y'all so much for rocking with your girl. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, honey. And until the next time, and to the next video, peace.